Demonstration for Alderon Go2 Duplex Control Panel, disabling the green beacon. This video will be for demonstration of the Alderon Go2 Duplex Control Panel, how to disable the normal green beacon. Let's get started. Start by holding and activating the configuration button by pressing for 5 seconds. Continue pressing the configuration button and notice for the next 5 seconds if the green beacon is on, then it is enabled. Now continue pressing the configuration button. When the green beacon blinks fast, immediately stop pressing the configuration button. The green beacon will turn off, followed by a flashing sequence, and the green beacon is now disabled. Note, if a pump is called to run, the beacon will activate and have a blinking pattern indicating the pump should be running. Repeat the process to enable the normal green beacon operation. This completes our demonstration for the Go2 Duplex Control Panel, disabling the green beacon. Thanks for watching.